What's up, everybody? This is Mark Days. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe, and a warm welcome to you. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the JBL LIVE460NCs. These are the successor to these. I believe these are the BT4 something or other. I don't really remember. Pretty decent pair of headphones. I picked them up on clearance at Walmart a while ago. Charger port went bad on it, although they still work. I wanted to pick these up for my son so he could do his schoolwork in peace. We got small children yelling and doing all type of stuff. So this is gonna help him with his virtual learning, being able to isolate himself from everybody and throw on that noise cancellation, which I'm gonna test out and see what it's all about and see if it's up to par or not. Yeah, so long story short, we're gonna go ahead and unbox these and I'm gonna test them off camera and then come back and tell you my thoughts. All right, so we got my fake unboxing knife. I need to go ahead and get me a real knife. But yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these and see what we're dealing with. For the specs on the back, 10 minutes of charge is supposed to give you 4 hours of listening time. USB-C, adaptive noise cancellation, you get 40 hours with it on. With it off, you're supposed to get 50 hours. Bluetooth 5.0. Hands-free voice control, adaptive noise cancellation, ambient aware and talk through technology, autoplay and pause, stereo calls, multi-point connection, whatever that means. So let's get it. JBL by Harman. Let's see what we're dealing with here. I got one more right here that I didn't see. I love the color on these. The color is brilliant. Let's pull them out. What we got? They do fold, just like the old ones, so that's good. Pretty much the same build quality. They feel almost exactly the same as the older ones. Active noise cancellation, got your JBL branding looking nice and spiffy. You know what I'm saying? Ear cups seem to be type comfortable, pretty much identical to the older version, but they look good. So we'll see if they sound good in a minute. I'm gonna pair them up to one of my phones here in a second, see what we're dealing with. So in the box, here's your USB-C, that orange wire, hard to miss that. JBL branding, USB-A, 3.5 millimeter, I believe. This goes right in here like so. Wired if need be, USB-C. I'm happy to see this, particularly because these were micro USB. Very happy to see USB-C Apple. Anyway, nevertheless, I don't think we have anything else in here. Paperwork and whatnot that nobody's gonna read this though. Let's keep it a buck. I'm not reading it. I don't have time for that, so toss that right back in the box like that never came out. I'm gonna go ahead now and let y'all know what my findings were. I'm gonna pair it up to my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let y'all see the pairing process and see what we're dealing with. All right, so I'm about to see what's up with this pairing process right now. Let's go ahead and pair these up real quick. If it's anything like the last one, just clicking this switch on and hold, oh, okay. Auto connect, I did not know that. Okay, let's go. Let's go ahead and hit connect. Auto connect, fire. All right, bet. So JBL LIVE460NC, 70% battery out the box, decent. I'm gonna go ahead and jump on YouTube and cue me up something that I wanna listen to real quick. I'm gonna listen to some of the soundtrack of Shenmue and we'll be right back. So I'm back. I did my little testing on these and I'm gonna keep it all the way buck with y'all. For this price, look, 65 bucks. I had an extra 30% off coupon. I think I paid a lot less than that, but for 65 bucks, this is live. I just pulled this up on the website. 65 bucks, you can grab a pair of noise canceling headphones. Decent. JBL is a good brand, decent brand. The noise cancellation is good. Right here is gonna be your button that you're gonna press for noise cancellation right there. Bluetooth button, play, pause, plus volume, negative volume. I'm gonna assume back and forth when you're skipping tracks, skipping reverse. I'm gonna deregister these from my phone I'll go ahead and hand these over to my son and let him rock out with these. Let me just wipe these down with a little bit of alcohol. Made some fingerprints. We don't like the fingerprints. That was it. Quick review of the JBL LIVE460NCs. Decent Bluetooth capability is outstanding. That's 5.0. It was auto connect to my phone. I have no complaints about that. It should connect to his little MacBook just fine that he uses for school. I didn't do a phone call test. They're pretty decent. I know what I'm getting into because we dealt with these already. Listen, pick them up. It's a steal at 65 bucks. Buy them for your kid or something like that. Even if for an adult, these are great. A great alternative to all those expensive headphones out there. Pick these up. Thank you all for your time. Please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. This was Mark Days. I'm signing off. Peace be unto you.